Welcome aboard, future freelancers and savvy businesses. Today we're diving into the world of Doerbase, a thriving platform where talent meets opportunity. Ready to plunge in? Head to doerbase.com and hit sign up. Input your name, a valid email, and a secure password. A quick email verification, and voila, you're in your dashboard, the nerve center of your Doerbase journey. Now it's time to shine a spotlight on you. Craft a compelling profile, showcasing your expertise, experience, and availability. The more detailed, the better. Got a sign-up voucher? Lucky you. Redeem it for credits, and you're set to place your first bid. Speaking of bids, it's time to scout for projects. Browse, select, and bid. Make sure your bid reflects your skills and enthusiasm. Once your bid gets the green light, use the chat function to iron out any details with the client. And remember, your dashboard is your control center. Update your profile, manage projects, and tweak settings as you please. That's it, folks. With Doerbase, you're only a few clicks away from your next big opportunity. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to your success.